Today I am reviewing Beelink SER5 MAX Mini PC. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're looking for a compact powerhouse that can handle everything from productivity to light gaming, the Beelink SER5 MAX Mini PC is an absolute game changer. This tiny desktop is packed with impressive hardware, making it one of the most versatile mini PCs on the market today. At the heart of the SER5 MAX is the AMD Ryzen 7 6800H processor, an 8-core, 16-thread CPU with a base frequency of 2.7 GHz and a turbo boost up to 4.7 GHz. This next-generation processor delivers exceptional multitasking performance, letting you run multiple applications simultaneously without lag. Whether you're working in Office, editing videos in Premiere Pro, designing in AutoCAD, or running Photoshop, this mini PC keeps things smooth and efficient. Paired with 32 GB of LPDDR5 memory running at a blazing 6,300 MHz, the SER5 MAX ensures lightning-fast responsiveness. Even demanding workflows like high-resolution video editing or multi-tab browsing are handled with ease. Storage isn't a compromise either, with a 500GB PCIe 4.0 NVMe SSD that boots Windows 11 Pro in seconds and transfers large files rapidly. And for those who need more space, both the memory and storage can be expanded, offering incredible flexibility for future upgrades. Graphics performance is equally impressive. The integrated AMD Radeon 12-core 2200 MHz GPU allows for 4K UHD playback at 60 Hz and supports triple display setups, making it perfect for multitasking or immersive viewing experiences. You can connect 3 monitors simultaneously, making this an ideal choice for productivity, office setups, or even a compact home theater system. Light gaming is also smooth, giving you the versatility of a mini workstation and entertainment hub in one. Connectivity is another strong point. The Beelink SER5 MAX comes with dual-band Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, Gigabit Ethernet, HDMI, DisplayPort, USB Type-C, and multiple USB 3.2 and USB 2.0 ports, offering maximum flexibility for connecting all your peripherals. You can easily hook up external drives, keyboards, mice, and other accessories without worrying about compatibility. Despite its powerful hardware, the SER5 MAX is incredibly compact, easily fitting on your desk or next to your monitor without taking up space. It features a quiet cooling system, ensuring the PC stays cool under heavy workloads while remaining whisper quiet during everyday use. Beelink also backs this mini PC with lifetime technical support and a 1-year warranty, giving you peace of mind alongside its cutting-edge performance. With FCC, CE, and RoHS certifications, you know you're getting a reliable, high-quality product. In summary, the Beelink SER5 MAX Mini PC is perfect for home offices, business tasks, creative work, media playback, and even light gaming. Its combination of Ryzen 7 power, 32 GB RAM, 500GB SSD, triple 4K display support, and advanced connectivity options makes it a versatile powerhouse in an ultra-compact form factor. If you're looking for a mini PC that doesn't compromise on performance or features, the SER5 MAX is a smart choice that will serve you for years to come.